At the University of North Dakota, ROTC is more than a college program. It's an elite leadership training experience. The Army, Air Force, and Space Force ROTC programs develop students into confident, capable leaders, preparing them to commission as officers while earning a world-class education. Across early mornings and shared challenges, cadets build discipline, teamwork, and the ability to lead in complex environments.
I've always wanted to serve, and this gives me an opportunity to become an officer in the Air Force.
ROTC has given me both structure and purpose in my college life here at UND. It has allowed me to develop not only physically, but also mentally and professionally, and it's surrounded me with other people that hold each other to a higher standard.
UND Army ROTC, the Fighting Hawks Battalion, has been developing leaders since 1918.
ROTC has helped me grow immensely as a leader. They have laboratories for leadership where they teach us basic skills of communication, of working under pressure, working with teammates, and this helps me in my career.
Army ROTC emphasizes hands-on leadership, tactical decision-making, and the ability to lead under pressure, both in the classroom and in the field.
ROTC has put me in various leadership positions where I'm allowed to take initiatives and make decisions. The skills that I learn in the classroom to real-life situations.
From early morning PT to advanced field training and rappelling operations, cadets gain confidence, resilience, and trust in themselves and their teams.
It's very tough, and it pushes you outside your comfort zone a lot, and it just makes you grow as a person in general.
The Air Force ROTC at UND, Detachment 610, develops Air and Space Force leaders of character. Cadets balance academics with leadership training through leadership laboratory, physical training, and Air Force studies, all designed to build strategic thinking, communication, and accountability.
It doesn't really cross over with any of your other classes, which allows you to have that regular college life, go out, hang out with friends, go out on trips, and still have the opportunity to become a good officer in the Air Force.
UND's nationally recognized aviation and aerospace environments give cadets access to flight training, base visits, career exploration, and leadership opportunities that stand out nationwide.
Being selected to go to field training at Maxwell Air Force Base in Alabama. There's thousands of different cadets from different universities that come together. Seeing all the different perspectives from all the different programs at different schools was super cool to me.
Beyond training, ROTC at UND is rooted in service, tradition, and community. Through Honor Guard, Color Guard, and campus events, ROTC cadets represent the university, the military, and the values that they are preparing to uphold. Every early morning, every push forward, every challenge leads to this moment. Commissioning marks the transition from student to military officer, where graduates are trusted to lead teams, make critical decisions, and serve their country. It's the start of a career defined by leadership, continual growth, and opportunities to make an impact. At UND, ROTC programs don't just prepare students to graduate, they prepare them to lead.